Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the blade from your lawnmower. First, I'll remove the spark plug wire. Now I'll tip the lawnmower on its side so I can access the blade. When I do that, I always want to make sure that the carburetor is up so fuel doesn't leak. Also, a lot of new lawnmowers have carbon-filled gas caps. If your mower has one, it's best to wait until the mower is just about out of gas before doing this. If fuel leaks into the carbon-filled cap, it'll ruin the cap and you'll have to replace it. The blade is secured to your mower with a bolt. To help me unscrew it, I'll use a block of wood to bind up the blade. Then I'll use a socket wrench to remove the bolt.